Alright, for this one, we want to compare these unit rates, which means you can use decimals. We just want to know which one is the better buy. Specifically for number 4, where Jiffy peanut butter is $3.49 for a 32-ounce bottle, and Skippy is $2.99 for a 25-ounce bottle. So I will make 2 unit rates to compare, and I will write them both as proportions. So let's make our first proportion for Jiffy. And what are the 2 quantities that we are comparing, Radhik, huh?
3.4, the cost and the amount.
Cost and the amount, right? And so the dollars will probably depend on the ounces, Radhik, huh? If you guys ever bought stuff like this, you would know that, and that's okay if you have them switched in this unit. So we're going to label the other one this way as well. And if we find out how much dollars for 1 ounce, then we can simply say which one has the higher price per ounce will be the more expensive, and the lesser one will be the better buy. And for Jiffy, it gives us $3.49 for 32 ounces. So maybe it would be good for us to figure out how many ounces for $1 as well. So we'll do that also. So $1 for some number of ounces. And so if we wanted 1 ounce, we would simply divide this by 32, like these. Which means we would also take the $3.49 and divide that by 32 as well, so that our fractions are also equivalent. And my answer is 0.109. Alright, now I have 0.109, which means that, well, you can't really have a thousandth of a cent. However, for this problem, I'm going to make it a thousandth of a cent just because we're comparing 2 values and not necessarily actual prices on this one. By the way, since we also want to figure out how much for $1, we could divide this by 0.109 as well, and this one also by 0.109er, and that would give us, that is $1 for 9.17 ounces is what I have for that. Yeah, just because you guys see me do it this way doesn't necessarily mean that you have to do it the same way, especially in terms of rounding. So there's our Skippy ratios, and it told us that it was $2.99 for a 25-ounce bottle. And we will figure it out for 1 ounce and $1 unit rates. So to do these, we would divide Radhik by 25. 25 divided by 25 is a 1. So we'll take $2.99 and divide that by 25 as a 12. Alright, so for the price, I would have 0.112. So we can see that Jiffy will cost less dollars for 1 ounce. And then if we compare the ounces, so on at these, we would divide it by 0.12, 1 divided by 0.12, which would then give us 1 divided by that garbage is 8.36. So the difference between these is that if you look at the ounces for a dollar, you will get less ounces for every $1 than you would with Jiffy, which gives you more ounces for every $1. Therefore, Jiffy is the better buy. Alright, so which is the better buy? I would circle Jiffy on this one. It's the better buy. Better buy.